Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of blenders, showcasing the top 12 options that'll take your kitchen game to the next level. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or salsas, we've got the best picks for every need and budget. Subscribe for more interesting products. So, let's get into it. At number 1 we have Magic Bullet Blender 250W Motor Base, Crossblade, Tall Cup, Short Cup, Party Mug, Lip Rings, Stay Fresh Resealable Lids, To-Go Lid and 10-second recipe guide. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add half a cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. At number 2 we have Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender Variable Speed Control and Pulse feature let you manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe. The motor base will automatically adjust the maximum blending times for the container size you've chosen. Programmable timer. A built-in digital timer helps avoid over or underprocessing your custom recipes. Set the timer to the length of your blend, and it will turn the machine off automatically. Touchscreen controls give the machine a sleek silhouette and are easily wiped clean. Perfect for family meals and entertaining, while fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabine. At number 3 we have Ninja BL642 Countertop Blender, 1200 watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. The rust-proof Pro extractor blades break down whole fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds for maximum nutrient and vitamin extraction, blending entire fruits. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Includes a 75 recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. At number 4 we have Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. This kitchen blender offers 14 blending functions and 700 watts of peak power, so you can whip, grate, grind, crush, puree, stir, and so much more. The patented wave action system is designed to continuously pull the mixture in the blender down into the blades for consistently smooth results without stirring. Patented ice saber blades are uniquely designed for powerful ice crushing and performance tested by crushing 2 tons of ice, making this the perfect blender for shakes and smoothies. Life tested to blend 8,000 drinks. This kitchen blender is durable and built to last. The unique, mess-free pouring spout on this blender is designed to eliminate drips. At number 5 we have nutribullet Full-Size Blender CTU VUs. NSF nutribullet blender combo will take your nutrition extraction to the next level with the versatility of both a multi-serving pitcher and a single-serve cup. 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and the extract program offer full control at the press of a button. 1200 watts of power let you make an endless array of smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and beyond. Simply place pitcher and cups in the dishwasher and rinse the easy twist extractor blades with soap and water. This item includes a 1-year limited warranty. At number 6 we have Vitamix Ascent X2 Blender. The 4-tip stainless steel blending blade works with the shape of the jar to create a constant flow and vortex that leads ingredients directly to the blades for fast blending performance. From juice and smoothies to breadcrumbs, the Black Plus Decker Power Crush Blender is a handy kitchen companion. From smooth blending to powerful ice crushing, the 4 speed functions, low, high, low pulse, high pulse, can handle any job with ease, from creamy smoothies to icy drinks and more. The thick, sturdy glass jar has a classic feel with advanced performance, and the spout is molded for easy pouring. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe jar, blade, and lid. Simply remove from base, disassemble, and run through the dishwasher as recommended. At number 7 we have Ninja BR201 AMZ Professional Blender 2.0, made for powering through the toughest ingredients. Take the guesswork out of blending with the Crush preset program that combines unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The Ninja Total Crushing blades turn ice to snow for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, and more. Low, medium, high, and pulse settings allow for complete control. The included 10-recipe quick start guide provides inspiration for smoothies, sorbet, salsas, and dips. At number 8, we have iCucina blenders. Our juice blender makes smoothie making more accessible and more convenient. It features a one-touch pulse button, which allows you to control the blending, so you can start and stop every blender operation as you need. Super easy and safe to use. Keep up your healthy lifestyle with a blender for smoothies that makes your life easier. Every detail of our protein shake blender is designed to offer a great experience. From its crack-resistant jar with a capacity of 28 ounces, 750 milliliters, perfect for large serving. Making healthy drink recipes is not only faster using our blender, but it is also super practical. The blender includes 2 jars and 2 lids, so once you get your blends ready, only place the covers and go. Ideal for those who love snaking with a nutritious snack. Our shake blender blends to perfection every ingredient, delivering the texture you love on your smoothies. At number 9, we have Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition-packed with veggies or a light, fruity treat, Vitamix smoothies give you a delicious, even blend in every sip. The focused power of our complete blending system causes every component of the Vitamix machine to work together, creating faster, smoother blends packed with flavor. Make smoothies and juices, hot soups, flours and dough, nut butter, frozen desserts, batters, dressings and sauces, non-dairy milks, and more. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less. No disassembly required. At number 10, we have PRASKY Blender for smoothies with powerful 3.0 HP motor which reaches speeds of up to 25,000 RPM/min, faster and stronger. Blenders feature an enhanced 6-leaf sharp blade which can easily crush ice cubes, vegetables, and fruits. The smoothie blender includes a 68-ounce container crafted from BPA-free material with a capacity to accommodate 9 cups of liquid and equal to 2 34-ounce on-the-go cup, and making it a perfect choice for enjoying nutrient-rich smoothies when you do exercise outside. The countertop blenders are furnished with variable speed switch and pulse options with flexible manual control, catering to your specific preference for food texture. Our blenders for kitchen with 2 containers have the potential to substitute for as many as 6 different appliances. Crush, blend, chop, grind, process, puree, or liquefy. At number 11, we have Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender. The patent-pending stainless steel blades are laser-cut to precise angles to be sharp, thin, and strong. The blades are engineered to slice more efficiently while creating less oxidation for a smoother, creamier blend. The 2.5 HP motor, BPA-free, stain-resistant 64 ounces Tri-10 jar, and heavy-duty metal gears are built tough and designed to perform year in and year out. This amazing appliance can handle the toughest ingredients without overheating. Infinity Blender meets or exceeds the exacting NSF standards. If it can withstand the rigors of a commercial environment, it is more than capable for any household use. It is built to last a lifetime. The quality is built in. Infinity Blender has proven that it can blend over 100 years of worth without slowing down. At number 12, we have Vitamix Ascent X2 Blender. The 4-tip stainless steel blending blade works with the shape of the jar to create a constant flow and vortex that leads ingredients directly to the blades for fast blending performance. From juice and smoothies to breadcrumbs, the Black Plus Decker Power Crush Blender is a handy kitchen companion. From smooth blending to powerful ice crushing, the 4 speed functions, low, high, low pulse, high pulse, can handle any job with ease, from creamy smoothies to icy drinks and more. The thick, sturdy glass jar has a classic feel with advanced performance, and the spout is molded for easy pouring. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe jar, blade, and lid. Simply remove from base, disassemble, and run through the dishwasher as recommended.